Hi team, we're talking about belly fat today. It's important to keep our tummies healthy. Belly fat can make us feel tired and slow. It can also lead to health problems. But don't worry, we can lose belly fat with simple exercises at home. Let's get started on a journey to a flatter, healthier belly. First up is the classic crunch. Crunches are amazing for your core. They work all the muscles in your tummy. This helps you get a strong and toned stomach. Want a flatter belly? Crunches are your new best friend. Next, we have the plank. Planks are like a super hold for your entire core. They engage your abs, back, and even your arms. This helps improve your posture. Hold that plank strong and feel the burn. Now it's time for leg raises. This exercise targets your lower belly fat. Lie flat on your back and lift your legs up towards the ceiling. Feel the burn in your lower abs. Leg raises are great for a toned and sculpted tummy. Section 5. Let's twist again, bringing back the Russian twist. Let's twist it up with Russian twists. This exercise is great for your obliques. Sit with your knees bent and twist your upper body side to side. Feel the burn in your sides. Russian twists will help you get that defined waistline you've always wanted. Section 6. Burning those calories with cardio. We can't forget about cardio. Cardio burns calories and helps melt away belly fat. Try jogging in place, jumping jacks, or even dancing around your living room. Cardio is your secret weapon to a slimmer waistline. Section 7. Creating your belly-busting workout plan. Let's put it all together. Aim for 3 to 4 workouts per week. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. Remember to rest for 30 seconds between sets. Consistency is key. Stick to your plan and you'll see amazing results. Section 8. Listen to your body. Always remember to listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when starting out. If you feel any pain, stop immediately and consult a doctor or a fitness professional. Your health is your priority. Always exercise safely and responsibly. Section 9. Stay motivated, stay consistent. You've got this. Losing belly fat takes time and effort, but it's totally achievable. Remember to celebrate your progress and stay motivated. You're on your way to a healthier, happier you. Keep going, you're doing great.